Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing really well. We're in the lovely Tsilivi and we are just outside TUI Blue. Just show you guys. So we've just walked along the beach. Or I've just walked along the beach. Nice little area. And we're just going to walk around, probably head to the main road, and then we're going to head into sort of like the main bit of Tsilivi. But yeah, just had a nice beach walk all the way around. Very, very nice. Lovely apartments back that way. Do check out for the other videos that will be coming out. But yeah, some really, really nice sort of like pools. There's one that sort of, you can dip down there. It's got the glass that you can see if you're sitting down eating or having a drink. Probably not explaining that very well, but like I said, you have to go back, check out the Tsilivi content with my mug on it, and then you'll hopefully see what I'm talking about. So this is like a little bridge, just so you can walk around. You could probably walk in the water or take a little swim around. I've opted for the walking on the land option. And then you can follow this all the way around, just show you. And keep going basically. And you can see it goes all the way around. And you got a nice, this is still TUI Blue, I'll just show you. You got a nice sort of area there. We're going to head out to the road. So I'm going to go up this lovely hill, keep you guys for moral support. So it looks like they're building over there. One thing I have noticed, really well kept this side. Obviously we've only stopped in, so Tsilivi is our first stop. So I'll keep you posted if the rest of the area is as good. But yeah, so far it's been the season, so I get it. Towards the end it does get messier, but so far very clean, very nice. That beach was beautiful, very well kept. I didn't see any rubbish or anything, so that's always good. So yeah, this one looks like it's getting built. Wonder what it's going to be. Let me know in the comments if you know who's taken this space. But I'm guessing the next time we come back to Zante, this will all be completed. Looks like it's going to be a very big resort. Look at that, you can see the pool. I'm guessing that's going to be the pool going through there. Oh, look at that view though. I don't know if I'm walking into a building site right now. Again, depending on when these have come out, I did a video in Faliraki, which said I should do a renovations video. I feel like we're back. I don't know if this actually takes me the right way. I do get lost a lot again. If you're new to the channel, I just go where I think I'm meant to be going. I kind of forget that we have these magical devices with maps and, you know, directions. I'm just like, yeah, I'm sure it's this way. We went to Athens and we had a decision to make. Do we do the historical city side or do we go to like the beach side, which is Artem? I've probably said that wrong, but anyway. And I was like, no, let's do the beach side. I was like, it's this bus, come on. Got on the bus. Kirk's looking at me like half an hour into the bus. He was like, have you seen where we're going? I'm like, yeah. Look at my maps. And we're heading into the city centre, into the historical side. And I'm like, well, that's where we wanted to go anyway. You know, I'm always a big believer in everything happens for a reason. So we was obviously meant to go to the historical part, and we did, and we loved it. We had a great day out. Really, really pretty city. I'm glad we've done it because I can now check that off my list. So yeah. I know we're always at beach resorts, so I knew when we came here that's all we'd be doing. I'm just going further and further up, and you guys are just seeing a building site, and I don't think I've gone the right way. But worst case scenario, we just turn around. We just turn around. It's not that deep. You will be fine. These little purple flowers. So yeah, that looks like it's going to be an absolutely, he's having a break, isn't he? Not a bad place to have a break. Massive resort with stunning views. All right, we'll keep going round. If I don't see civilization or the hopes of it, we'll go back down towards TUI Blue. We'll figure it out from there. We'll get our bearings. I refuse to get my maps out. We're on holiday. We're having an adventure. We're exploring. You can't explore with a map. Well, you can. That sounds silly. Maybe I can cut through there. But then that's like mosquito heaven, isn't it? If you go down to the woods today, let's not take the wooded option. I am on my own. Me and Kirk have split up to film, so I don't think going into the wilderness is the smart choice. So we'll just keep following the road. And I'm sure we'll come towards some sort of shop or little bar or people at some point. We've got some nice little apartments here. Right, I'm just going to keep following it down. It's got to be something. You can't have big resorts there and it go to nowhere. Can you? Maybe you can. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying my video to nowhere. We're in the lovely Tsilivi, Zante. I do promise there is people. I haven't just taken you to nowhere. There we go, look. What's this one? Rodis Studios. So there is civilization. And then to the left of me, there's the wilderness. Right, I'm hoping we go around this corner because I'm kind of committed to this way now, so I'm not going to turn back. I've decided this is the way we're going. If you're wondering why my voice sounds a little bit more extra, it's because I think I've got a little bit of a cold. I'm hoping this sun will get rid of it today and a few bevies. It's going out for lunchtime as well. I love those purple flowers. They're all over the island. They look so pretty, especially when you've got them on like, what's it called? On like the bridges, and it all goes underneath like the sort of viaducts. It's not a viaduct, but it sort of looks like that. It looks very pretty. Right, we've got to be coming to something around here. Welcome to the walking tours of the back roads. Welcome in one of those horror movies. She took the wrong turn. Where did she end up? At least it's documented, you know. At least you guys get to see it. Oh, God. Another hill. Get my steps in today. All right, so end of the road. I'm going to take a left because that's going back towards the area I know. I think if we go right, we really will be walking into the middle of nowhere. So let's make this a little fun. Have you been to Zante? That's the first question. Oh, this looks nice. Catania, very pretty. Look at that. Very nice. Have you been to Greece? If yes, what is your favourite part of Greece? Have you done Athens? Have you done the islands? Comment below. Where would you like to see Wagwan go next? You've obviously done Zante. We've done Rhodes. We've done Athens now. Where next on our Greek adventure would you like to see us go to? Looks more like an actual house, this one. Stop. Right. Come to what I can imagine. It's a bit more of a normal road. I see a big bus. Jet2 Holidays. There we go. We're all right. Whew, we're okay. We made it. You always know it's all right when you see a Jet2 Holidays. We're going to be okay. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm probably going to have to end it at the end of this blooming road. At least you get to see, and this is the real Zante. It's a lovely island, but it is, you know, few and far between. You're not going to get your big super clubs. You're not going to get your massive busy, hustling city streets. You're going to get your little areas, and some of them might only have like one shop. That's, you know, a 10, 15, 20-minute walk away. Well, we've reached a little bar, this little supermarket. There we go, a little sign as well to show us where we're actually going. Like I said, we're going to head this way. So I'm going to stop at the shop, get myself some water. So hopefully you've enjoyed that. So that is if you're going to Bluey, up a random road, past the building site, and you will get yourselves there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.